ready to take your outdoor adventure to the next level. In this video, we're showcasing 50 must-have camping gadgets that will totally upgrade your next trip. From portable camping stoves, solar power banks, and multi-tools, to the latest tactical gear, water filters, and compact survival tools. These are the top-rated, trending, and best-selling gadgets every camper needs. Whether you love tent camping, hiking, or off-grid living, these game-changing tools are built for 2025. Let's gear up and explore smarter.
Staying dry, comfortable, and protected from the elements is crucial when camping in unpredictable weather. Introducing the RBM Outdoors Panda Air Inflatable Camping Tent. Crafted from 210 grams per square meter of mildew-proof and waterproof fabric for superior durability. This innovative inflatable tent features an easy setup. Simply use the included pump to inflate via its strong PVC air valves. Designed with large mesh ventilation windows and a double layer top, it ensures optimal airflow while keeping bugs and moisture out. The Panda Air is ideal for 3-season camping in spring, summer, and fall, offering warmth and comfort in temperatures above 32 degrees Fahrenheit. With a waterproof floor, puncture-resistant materials, and a panoramic roof, this tent is built for the outdoors. It also comes equipped with removable plastic TPU windows and a stove jack, allowing you to stay cozy during cooler weather. The Panda Air package includes everything you need: the main tent, rainfly, ropes, storage bag, and hand pump, making it the perfect companion for your next adventure. Staying warm in unpredictable outdoor weather is essential for comfort during camping or outdoor activities. Meet the Hot Circle AI Outdoor Heated Blanket, which revolutionizes outdoor warmth with real-time, automatic temperature control by collecting weather data from the user's location. This innovative blanket adjusts its heating level to match outdoor conditions, ensuring a comfortable sleep experience even in harsh environments. Made with strict quality control in Korea, this blanket continues the success of its home version, Cellion, which has generated over $5 million in sales. The blanket's integration with the Open Weather API and a custom algorithm allows for smart temperature adjustments through the Hot Circle mobile app. Featuring dual temperature control in the queen-size version, users can personalize warmth levels for each side. As shown by thermal cameras in the prototype, the wide heating area covers ample space, providing uniform warmth. Built to create a new category in the outdoor industry, this heated blanket combines cutting-edge technology with ultimate comfort for outdoor enthusiasts. Keeping cool in hot weather, especially while camping, is crucial for comfort and relaxation. Meet the Hopwin Rechargeable Camping Fan. A simple design, a compact size, and a stable base to prevent falls, making it perfect for summer adventures. Equipped with a 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it fully charges in just 3.5 hours via Type-C, ensuring you stay refreshed outdoors. With adjustable wind speed, ultra-low noise levels, and a 60-degree auto-oscillation, this fan cools a wide area effortlessly. Its foldable hook and 150-degree adjustable stand provide versatility, whether you hang it in a tent or place it on a desk. The IPX4 waterproof rating and built-in LED lantern with SOS mode make it ideal for camping or emergency use. The fan's stepless speed control and click switch make operation easy, while the 4-level power indicator ensures you're never caught off guard without power. Lightweight and durable, it's designed to enhance your outdoor and indoor experiences. When outdoors, having a reliable light source is crucial for safety and comfort during nighttime activities or emergencies. Introducing the Ellisol Rechargeable Battery-Operated Lantern, an essential tool for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness. With a powerful 4,000 mAh capacity power bank and 5 lighting modes, including high, medium, low, red steady, and red strobe, it adapts to any environment. Whether you need bright illumination or a signal for emergencies, this lantern has you covered. It's rechargeable via a Type-C cable and features a USB output to charge your devices in a pinch. Weighing just 1.38 pounds and equipped with collapsible hooks, it's easy to hang and carry. Designed to withstand rain and impacts, the lantern is perfect for rugged outdoor use, ensuring you're always prepared no matter the situation. When preparing for outdoor adventures, having an all-in-one solution for food storage and cooking can make all the difference. Introducing the Aatada Lunchbox, the ultimate companion for outdoor chefs, combining space-saving storage with efficient cooking capabilities. Designed to hold your food, alcohol stove, and accessories, this compact, versatile box offers a smart way to carry everything you need without the bulk. Its premium construction ensures durability, while the innovative lid design provides a secure seal. The non-stick coating allows for easy cleaning, and the steamer layer offers versatile cooking options. With griddle marks for appealing grill lines, it enhances your meal preparation. The ergonomic handle and carrying strap make transportation effortless, while its space-saving design maximizes storage. Whether you're camping, hiking, or on a road trip, the Aatada Lunchbox keeps your essentials organized and ready for any culinary adventure.